So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to install Samsung Dishwasher DW80CG4021SR, unpack hookups and test run. So step 1 is prepare the installation area, remove the old dishwasher, ensure the cabinet opening fits the new dishwasher, verify access to water drain and electrical connection. Step 2 is connect the water supply, attach the hot water supply line to the dishwasher inlet, tighten securely to prevent leaks. Keep the water valve closed until installation is complete. Third step is connect the drain hose. Route the drain hose through the cabinet opening, connect it to the sink drain or garbage disposal. Secure the hose and create a high loop if required by local code. Fourth step, connect electrical power. Connect the wiring according to the local electrical codes. Attach the ground wire to the grounding terminal. Do not use an extension cord. Step 5 is slide the dishwasher into place. Feed the water line, drain hose and power cable through the opening carefully. Slide the dishwasher into the cabinet ensuring no line are pinched. Adjust the leading leg to ensure the dishwasher is level. Secure the unit to the countertop or cabinet with mounting brackets. Sixth step is test the installation. Turn on the water supply and power. Run a short wash cycle. Check for leak, proper draining and normal operation. So thanks for watching.